Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You'll start by confirming the Google account and a stable connection. Open WhatsApp, tap Settings, then Chats, and choose Chat Backup. Once done, verify the Google account shown under Backup to Google Drive. If it's not correct, tap Account and switch to the right one. Make sure Backup Over is set to Wi-Fi or cellular if you prefer. This ensures backups map to the location you'll search in Google Drive later. Next, you'll confirm the backup exists in Google Drive. Go to Drive, Google, Com on desktop or open the Drive app, tap the menu and choose Backups on mobile. Once there, look for an item named WhatsApp or a WhatsApp Messenger backup. If you don't see it, make sure you're signed into the same Google account you set in WhatsApp and refresh. Understanding this connection explains why restores fail when accounts differ. Restores pull files from that account only. To restore, install WhatsApp and verify your phone number. When prompted, tap Restore to pull messages and media from Google Drive. Make sure you grant permissions for storage and contacts so the app can write files and map chats. Once the restore finishes, tap Next and allow media to load. Large backups can take time. If restore fails, check that the Drive backup matches your number and account, and confirm you have enough space in Google Drive.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.